What if most of your manufacturing cost is decided before a single tool is cut? Founders get trapped by late changes, rework, and prototypes that look great but can't be produced at scale. Costs explode as you move from concept to CAD to tooling to production, sometimes by orders of magnitude. And the gap between a pretty prototype and a manufacturable product is where budgets go to die. The reality is simple. Design decisions lock in cost earlier than most first-time inventors realize. DFM is not an end-of-line checklist. It starts at concept, runs alongside industrial design and mechanical engineering, and aligns every choice with the actual production. Process selection comes first, because the right process drives materials, geometry, and the whole strategy. So what solves it? Design for manufacturing. Applied early, it cuts costs by reducing part count, right-sizing tolerances, selecting materials that fit the process, running industrial design and mechanical engineering concurrently, standardizing components, and building test and inspection into the CAD before tooling. Avoid the prototype trap by matching the prototype to the question. Use 3D printing for form and fit. Use CNC when material properties and structure matter. Use soft tooling to get production representative parts without committing to full molds. Here's where Rabbit makes this work in the real world. DFM is embedded from the first sketch, not bolted on later. Senior engineers handle every project, averaging 27 years of experience. Over 9 years and more than 2,000 products inform the process. Industrial design and mechanical engineering run in parallel, so handoff failures vanish. For connected products, electronics and design for test are integrated in the same workflow. And the team supports consumer goods, soft goods with structural hardware, hardwood builds, electronic and IoT devices, and first proofs of concept. Early DFM slashes part count, tames tolerances, aligns materials to process, and kills the late-stage rework that wrecks timelines. If I were in your position, I'd start DFM at concept and match every prototype to the question it's meant to answer. If you keep designing for the prototype process instead of the production process, you will pay for it at tooling. To start a product development engagement that covers design, prototyping, manufacturing-aware DFM, and production support under one team, contact Rabbit Product Design. Schedule a free strategy session. Learn more by clicking the link in the description. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell so you don't miss out.